Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see the remaining storage space on your PlayStation 4 hard drive. And you can do this two different ways. So if you have an external hard drive, I'll show you how to do that as well. So you can go to settings right here, and then scroll on down to where it says storage. And then go to system storage right here. And it's currently calculating the system storage. You can wait for it right here and just view it. Otherwise, you can select into here, and it will say free space available right here on the bottom. So mine, it says 589 gigabytes of free space available. And that is showing me up here as well. So the blue area is my currently occupied space. So the blue is applications, and then the capture gallery is like orange, and save data is green, and then the last one is themes right here. So you can see it demonstrated on this little bar. So the free space is the blank space right here on the right. So my total space is 1.32 terabytes. Now if you do have an external hard drive, we want to back out to the main settings menu, then go to devices, then we can scroll on down and we can go to USB storage devices right here. Then if you have anything plugged in, like a USB drive or an external hard drive, you should be able to see the free space available for that drive here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. It did. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.